Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to fix a common problem with Shopify, which is sold out, especially if you are using Autods on Shopify. Now this is, like I said, a very common problem. Whenever you want to try to purchase the item, it says out of stock. Now that's exactly what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. Now first, you want to go to Autods and make sure the product is connected to your Shopify. Now if not, you just need to remove it and import it again from Autods. This may fix the problem. Okay, so another way, like I said, after you do this, if this doesn't work, what you need to do is you want to go to your own Shopify store and you want to click on settings, okay, and then you want to click on shipping and delivery, and then you want to click on create a custom profile. Now after you click on custom profile, you want to name this profile whatever you want, doesn't matter. Just name this, and then you want to click on add products, and then you want to add the products that shows as sold out. After you add them here, you want to add the shipping zone to this product. Now for example, I'm going to add shipping zone, and now I'm going to add these zones, and I'm going to add the zone name. Like I said, customers will not see this. You can name this whatever you want, new profile for example, and then you want to click on done. Now you want to click on add rate. Now here the custom rate name, it should be standard, and the custom delivery description, you can just leave it like it is. It's optional. You don't need to add anything here. Here you can add the shipping price. I'm going to add 00.00. Now I'm going to click on done, click on save. Now I check if the problem is solved or not. Now you want to give it, of course, a few seconds before this fixes the problem. Okay, so just give it a few seconds. Now another easy way is you want to go to your own products here, and then you want to click on the products. Okay, so after you click on the products, you will be able to see if this product comes with different variations. Now what you need to do, you want to check all the variations and then click on bulk edit. It's going to take you to this page. You just need to click on columns here in the top right, as you can see, and after that you want to search for continuous selling going out of stock. You want to check it. Okay, check this box. Now after that, you want to check this for each variant here where it says continuous selling going out of stock. You want to check this one and this one. Now after that, you want to click on save. Now this will solve the problem. Like, check now and see if the problem is solved or not. Now I'm going to be showing you other methods so that you can fix this problem. Okay, now if this doesn't work, you want to go to your Autods, okay, and then check if the product there is out of stock, because if it's out of stock on Autods, it's going to be out of stock on Shopify too. So just make sure you do that, and I'm sure this is going to help you. Please, if this video helped you, please drop a like, and if this doesn't help you, let me know in the comments exactly your problem, how many products are out of stock, or if this affected all your products or just one product, or if it's just one variant. Just let me know in the comments. I may reply to you with a solution. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.